You need to attach it to the middle of the flower, that way you get the nice 3D effect. So find the middle and clear away the petals like I'm doing so you can push it in as far as it will go. And then I will put in hot glue around the top and the bottom of this half backer, and I will push the petals all around it to make sure it's glued in nice and snug. You can attach name chains, custom ribbons, or any other fun stuff to this half backer. That way, all of that will be 3D and front and center on your girl's homecoming mum. Just be sure to attach all of that first before you attach it to the mum flower. Here's a finished mum. I will show you what it'll look like if I attach one of these half backers to it. I think it really just steps it up. It gives it something new and fresh, and I hope you guys have fun with this.